4th of Jumadul Ula, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Imam Bari Sarkar Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, the beloved slave of the Lord and the master of spirituality of his time, Hazrat Sayyid Abdul Latif Shah Kazmi Qadri, who is well known by the title of Imam Bari Sarkar Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in 1026 Hijri in Kirsal, Chakwal, Punjab, Pakistan. He received his primary education and training under the wise supervision of his father, Sayyid Mahmud Shah Kazmi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. He had the honor to take an oath of allegiance, the bay'at, from Hazrat Sayyid Jamalullah Shah Hayatul Mir Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi in the Qadiriya Silsila. The king Aurangzeb Alamgir alayhi Rahmatullahi al-Qadir was one of his devotees. His murshid, spiritual guide, gave him the title of Bari Imam. His lifestyle and biography is a model for people and is full of pure guidance to them. The darkness of ignorance and disbelief vanished by virtue of the sincerity of his dedicated efforts. Thus, the message of Islam was spread and hundreds of people embraced Islam. He published and publicized various branches of knowledge. He dedicated his entire life for guiding the people to the right path. He kept himself busy by propagating the deen of Islam by his ethics and pious actions, lifestyle and ideal character, and continued to spread Islam throughout his life. The beloved one of the Lord and master of the spirituality of his time, Hazrat Sayyid Abdul Latif Shah Kazmi Qadri Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, who is well known with the title of Imam Bari Sarkar Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away on the 4th of Jumadul Ula in 1117 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Nurpur Shahan, Islamabad, Pakistan, which is a source of blessings for its visitors from every class of society. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
Allah